Hello, ModSquad. Why you taking so control my radio? AppleJack, I'll say hello right back to you, my brother. Hello, ModSquad. If you heard you, AppleJack, say Aloha.
AppleJack right there. AppleJack, have a good day. AppleJack, good weekend to you. Super Bowl weekend. AppleJack, ModSquad. AppleJack, ModSquad. Mobile gone. Aloha.
Now, T, I told you, ModSquad, take care, God bless, man. Hello, ModSquad, in Mobile. Down with the get down.
And I got it all, AppleJack. You take care, man. Hey, take it to the other big brother calling ModSquad. You guys have a good one. Be ModSquad Mobile, downtown Honolulu. Read the mail. Aloha. You working that driver, you working that driver, you working that driver. Take it, AppleJack, take it to the rest of the good time gang. ModSquad Mobile said I got it all and you said it all. ModSquad Mobile Cruise in Honolulu, we are. Hello in the BYU. Hello there, Brown in the BYU. ModSquad right there. Hello, Mr. Brown in the BYU. ModSquad right back. Come on. I'm trying to get it in the BYU, but I tell you what, it's rough in there. You guys got to watch out for AppleJack, ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Read the mail around the BYU. Aloha. AppleJack, I'm trying to get that 28, AppleJack, but you be tough, man. Soon as you're on key, I miss his 28 again. AppleJack, take care. You got them all down. ModSquad, Honolulu. Got it all, AppleJack. You take care, man. Have a good one, AppleJack, and take it to the good time gang in the BYU. You know, AppleJack be tough. ModSquad be right back. Reading the mail. And I have a good night, AppleJack. AppleJack, have a good day, because I'm passing through again. ModSquad, Honolulu, read the mail. Switchblade, working that driver. All right, Switchblade, you're working the driver too, man. Take care, Switchblade, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, right there, man. Hey, AppleJack, you say you're working that driver too, AppleJack. I heard old BusterBrown too. Hello, BusterBrown. BusterBrown, I got your 28 because I had Brown the first time, but I didn't get the Buster. Hello, BusterBrown, ModSquad, Honolulu, aloha. Right there, Buster. That AppleJack came and went, man. That AppleJack came by and said hello and he left. But BusterBrown, you take care, man. You know AppleJack be mean. Hello, BusterBrown, ModSquad, Honolulu. Have a good day. Aloha. Right back. I heard both of you that time. I heard both of you switching around there. Y'all had your chance right there. Hey, Buster Brown, AppleJack, you both had your chance. I think I hear SwitchBlade too in there somewhere. Have a good one. ModSquad Mobile said the BYU got it going on. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, AppleJack, your driver. AppleJack working that driver. I heard SwitchBlade and Buster Brown. Take care. ModSquad Mobile heard each one of you right there. I heard all of you at that time around. ModSquad gone. Aloha. Hey, SwitchBlade, you riding real high right now. Hey, SwitchBlade, you riding real good that time. Hello, SwitchBlade, you held it down pretty clean. Hello, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu there, come on down. SwitchBlade said hello to there. Take it, AppleJack. AppleJack, you came back real strong again. AppleJack, but SwitchBlade want to tell you a friendly 5 hello too. Take care. You guys have a good one. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Read the mail. Aloha. Right back, AppleJack. Right back, AppleJack. I think Buster Brown want to wave a fire to his SwitchBlade too, man. Buster Brown want to tell SwitchBlade hello. I think that's what's going on. Take care, Buster Brown and AppleJack. You came back in my radio and tear him up there. AppleJack, ModSquad gone. You're going to give him the green light? You're going to give him all the green light? Hey, who's going to give him the green light? Somebody got that green light on for everyone to go get him now. ModSquad, Honolulu, read the mail. Bye, SwitchBlade, your driver talking. SwitchBlade, your driver talking. Hello, SwitchBlade, your driver talking. ModSquad gone. AppleJack, your driver work too, man. AppleJack, your driver working real good. Hello, AppleJack, it's real tough in Honolulu with your driver. ModSquad gone. AppleJack. Alright, SwitchBlade, you take care, SwitchBlade. You tell Motorman Mall ModSquad said hello to there. Take care, SwitchBlade, ModSquad. Hello, SwitchBlade, ModSquad Mobile. SwitchBlade, ModSquad Mobile gone. Aloha.
Right there, right back, ModSquad. See, one of my favorites. Motorman Mall still on the mall. Take care, later. ModSquad, SwitchBlade, Wolflake. ModSquad, SwitchBlade, and I work it right back with you. I work it right back with you, SwitchBlade. You take care now. Hey, SwitchBlade, ModSquad. SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Mobile. Catch you later. Aloha. Hey, ModSquad. I'm working with SwitchBlade, Bill Driver, by source, not by source. I can't stop up anything right now because my station's still under construction. But help is on the way any day. Take care, ModSquad. SwitchBlade, Wolflake. Blade, Bill Driver.
Right back with your Blade Build driver. Right back with your Blade Build driver. Hey, SwitchBlade, it's working, man. That driver working in Honolulu. Hello, SwitchBlade. ModSquad told you now. Aloha. And you're working it out right now, Switchblade. You're working it out in Honolulu. Hello there, Switchblade. Mod Squad said you're working that thing in Honolulu. That driver is talking. Switchblade, Mod Squad, back 10-7. Aloha. I'll catch you later too, Switchblade. I'll catch you later too, Switchblade. Mod Squad is reading on the mail too. Aloha. Bye, Dirty Harry. Bye, Dirty Harry. Mod Squad.